Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button DND, which stands for Do Not Disturb. So you just, by tapping on it, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on this button, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to it. It could be people, like messages, calls. It could be apps. It could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for it, like you can select you can set up default duration of it, and you can also hide notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sounds and visuals too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.